Welcome back to Revenue. Join me as I take on the challenge of cash stuffing on a tight $20 budget. Let's see how far I can stretch those dollars for low-income living.
I'm sure you had good bag. Wait, hold up, 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 wait.
Cash stuffing is all about taking control of your finances and making the most of the money you have. And today, we're going to explore how to do just that, even on a super tight budget of just $20. I know it sounds impossible, but trust me, it's not. With a little creativity and some smart budgeting, we can make those dollars work hard for us. Managing your finances can be tough, especially when you're living on a low income. It feels like there just aren't enough hours in the day or enough money in your pocket. You're constantly stressing about how you're going to pay the bills, put food on the table, and still have money left over for the things you want. And it's not just the money itself, it's the emotional toll it takes on you and your family, the anxiety, the fear, the feeling of being trapped in a never-ending cycle of debt and poverty. But the thing is, it doesn't have to be that way. With a few simple strategies and a bit of discipline, you can take control of your finances and start building a better future for yourself. And that's what cash stuffing is all about. It's not about depriving yourself of the things you want, but about making conscious decisions about how you spend your money. Low-income individuals often face unique challenges when it comes to managing their finances. For one thing, there's the obvious issue of not having enough money to cover the basics, let alone saving for the future. But it's not just about the money. It's also about the lack of access to resources and opportunities that can help you get ahead. You might not have the same access to financial advice or the same job opportunities as someone who earns a higher income, and that can make it feel like the odds are stacked against you. But here's the thing. Cash stuffing is a strategy that can work for anyone, regardless of their income level. It's about being intentional with your money and making sure that every single dollar is working hard for you. And that's what we're going to focus on today: how to make the most of your $20 budget using the cash stuffing method. So how does cash stuffing work? The basic idea is to divide your money into categories and then allocate a certain amount of cash to each category. This helps you prioritize your spending and make sure that you're covering all of the essentials before you start splurging on the nice two-halves. In this video, I will be cash stuffing for my wants as I utilize my checking account and my savings account to take care of my needs. But let's just say for our $20 budget, we're going to allocate 50% to groceries, 30% to transportation, and 20% to entertainment. That's not a lot of money, but it's a start. And with a bit of creativity, we can make it stretch further than you might think. The key to making cash stuffing work is to be realistic about your spending habits and to prioritize the things that are most important to you. If you know you need to buy food for the week, then that's where your grocery money should go. If you need to get to work, then your transportation money should cover the cost of gas or public transportation. And if you want to have a bit of fun, then your entertainment money should cover the cost of a movie ticket or a nice dinner. It's all about making conscious decisions about how you spend your money and making sure that every single dollar is working hard for you. The benefits of cash stuffing are obvious. For one thing, it helps you to prioritize your spending and make sure that you're covering all the essentials. It also helps you to avoid debt by making sure that you're not overspending in any one area. And it gives you a sense of control and empowerment by putting you in charge of your finances. Of course, it's not always easy, but the results are well worth it. This video has inspired you to give cash stuffing a try, even on a tight budget of just $20. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself of the things you want, but about making conscious decisions about how you spend your money. Take control of your finances and start building a better future for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your own budgeting experiences in the comments below. If you're looking for more budgeting tips and tricks, be sure to check out my other videos. And please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, share this channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.